Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the third round of my F1 Manager 24 career mode, my team thing. As you can see, I'm just doing the strategy. Last race in China, we finished 7th and 10th, I believe. And yeah, and we're at Japan, and I hope that we can continue the good momentum and stuff.
The drivers are warmed up, they're ready to go. Here in the Japanese Grand Prix.
Look on front now, look out. Nice.
And it's lights out, and away we go.
Just gonna put both on high, overtake aggression. I don't know what special assist does, but I don't want to have it turned on. Yeah, medium softs, as basically always. Let's ride on board with Antonelli. Overtake Alonso, lovely. Still side by side. Wow! Oh, come on, Antonelli! Come on, you've got like 90 aggression. That was not a 90 aggression start. You could have easily slotted between Alonso and Wilson. I mean, it might have been a tiny bit close for comfort, but also at the same time, that's fine.
DRS enabled.
I mean, like, for someone who doesn't have a brake pedal in their car, that was very cautious. And for someone who just tried to overtake Alonso around the outside of that corner, that was very unaggressive. Oh no, please don't be too wide, please don't be too wide, please don't be too wide. Okay, good. No, it's still too wide though. Alright. Okay, not dead. Wonderful. Oh, I forgot to stop doing that. Okay. Still got quite a big gap to Hamilton in the Ferrari. How's Valtteri Bottas in his Cadillac in P8? I don't know. 'Tis a mystery. Right, I do need to speed this up. It needs to be under 15 minutes. I think this race has higher fuel usage. Oh, overtake on Valtteri Bottas. Oh, it's just a DRS pass. No, it's DRS pass with no DRS. Lovely. I think it was probably just not showing the gap in the ribbon. I'm gonna start going balanced now.
I think a tiny bit of lighter might help.
Yeah, I think it probably might. Let's overtake Bottas. This is boring. Well, P2 and P3, lovely. That's not going to want to stay. Right, I'm going to box Antonelli 1 lap late than I was originally planning to, because you can afford to double stack. I'm going to box Perez 1 lap early anyway, actually. Yeah. Oh, no, evidently I'm not. Right, yeah. Yeah, you can stay out for one more lap, Antonelli. You're fine. I mean, it wouldn't be like, we wouldn't be at risk of like Perez being held up, but still, I mean, I just think it would probably be advantageous in some way to not do that. Right, into the pit lane. Okay. Are these like actual positions? No, Hamilton is still to box. But that's it. Is that it? Yeah, Hamilton is literally the only person on track who is not boxed yet. Yeah. But I think we are the only people going to the end on this set of tyres, so yeah. Don't know what my point was going to be. These are not the net positions, I guess. I mean, overtaking Hamilton. Yeah, flag, oh dear. Yeah, I don't think anyone else is going to the end on the set of tyres that they're currently on, unless Hamilton is going to like do some immense and epic tyre saving. I think Sainz and Russell and everyone's boxing now probably going to go to the. How are the tyres still too cold? I mean, with Antonelli, I can push the tyres. Oh, and no, I can't because it's VSC. I don't know what that's for. That's the second VSC in 2 races.
Now is that the Williams involved?
Oh no.
Right, we're at turn 9. That's the location for this one.
Yes, I know. That much is obvious, mate.
Contact. I imagine
How did she just suddenly speed up by like 50 miles an hour, then go off the track? Have we resumed pace? I still don't even know. It has not said. Yeah, I have no way of knowing because 15 laps to go. But we resumed. Going racing.
And DRS enable.
Is it? Okay, yeah, it is. Push! Go fast! Go very fast. This is good for the fuel, I guess.
Happy to do less lighter. Copy. And you can use all the boost band. Copy.
Neutralize. Yeah, you'll still be like that.
Just be careful this time.
Yeah, still pushing on the fuel though.
Copy. You have the fastest lap time.
Lovely. Oh, that of course does not matter,
We need to manage these tires.
as it is obviously 2005 and there are no fastest lap points. We are using up the fuel faster than I thought we would, given that the Audi engine, which is a custom created engine, that one's got 100 fuel efficiency, so
Are good.
yeah, I don't know. confusing.
Please keep them close, please. Copy.
Maybe I'll take my Yuki soda. Yes, we are. Are we going to be able to take my George Russell? Yes, I think we are. Yes, we are. Are we going to be able to take my Landon Norris? I hope not. How cold is it? I mean, like, how? It's not that cold. It's not that cold. I mean, 27-degree track. I mean, it's sort of cold, but like, I mean, it's not freezing. I mean, it's not cold enough that I should have to start getting my drivers to push harder to all their tyres. I mean, it's not 2009 Jensen Button at Silverstone or anything. That's the fuel, lovely.